New AI-powered platform, you can now create, edit, and publish entire affiliate campaigns in just a few minutes, even if you have zero technical experience. This is the first ever affiliate campaign creation suite powered entirely by AI, and it's built for speed, simplicity, and real profit. Let's break it down. It's just 3 simple steps. Step 1, insert your affiliate link. Step 2, enable the AI-powered features. Step 3, click Generate and Publish. Boom! Your affiliate campaign is ready, instantly. No designers, no writers, no coders, no hours of trial and error. In less time than it takes to make a coffee, you've got a fully done-for-you campaign that's been professionally written, structured, and optimized to convert. This suite gives you everything: headlines, emails, video scripts, product pages, bonus pages, and even social media creatives, all generated in one go. No copy-paste, no formatting headaches. Just plug in your link and publish it everywhere. And here's where it gets even better. You get a free commercial license included. That means not only can you generate your own campaigns, you can sell them to others and keep 100% of the profits. If you're tired of monthly subscriptions, complex dashboards, and waiting on freelancers, then this is built for you, because there's no monthly fees, no APIs, no waiting lists, just instant on-demand affiliate campaigns powered by AI. In fact, most users create their first full campaign in under 5 minutes. That's faster than writing a single headline by hand. In fact, most users create their first full campaign in under 5 minutes. That's faster than writing a single headline by hand. Whether you promote digital products, affiliate offers, or physical goods, this platform does it all, smarter and faster. So if you're ready to save time, scale faster, and finally build something that works, this is your moment. Click the link, insert your affiliate ID, and watch the AI do the rest. This isn't the future of affiliate marketing, it's the now. Let's build your next campaign in minutes, not months.